How to insert arrow in Microsoft Word. Go to Chrome application or any browser you want. Search word.cloud.microsoft and now create blank document. To insert arrow, go to home page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to insert. In insert, go to drawing. Here in drawing section, go to shape. Here in shape, you can see here the black arrows section. There are many types of arrow here. The right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, left, right arrow, and many more. So for my example, I create right arrow. Select right arrow, and now you can draw right arrow. And another, go to shape again, go to black arrow section, and select another arrow. So for my example, the left, right arrow. And another one, go to again to black arrow and select the arrow you want. Another again, go to shape again, go to black arrow, and for my example, I select this arrow. After you create arrow, you can change the color of this by selecting the arrow you want to change the color, but I highlight all. And to change the color, go to shape on the page menu of this drawing section and select shape outline. Click the arrow down button on the right side of this to see the option of color. For example, I set into black the shape outline. And also you can change the shape fill. Go to shape fill on the menu and click the arrow down button on the right side of this. And now you can see the option of color. So for example, I set into red. To save this arrow on your document, click the save and close button on the right side of this drawing section to insert on your document.